Hi, I'm Grandpa English. Today we're going to have a little fun with homophones. Now, a homophone, it's a word that is pronounced like another word, but it's different in meaning, the origin, or the spelling. For example, two, two, and two are homophones. Let's go and guess which homophone is the correct one here. Her dog was born without a tail. Is it this tail or that tail? Her dog was born without a tail. Let's look at the next one. We walked through the forest to reach the ocean. Through or through? We walked through the forest to reach the ocean. Let's see the next one. When will it be time for dinner? B or B? When will it be time for dinner? A man said to turn right at the intersection. Right or right? The man said to turn right at the intersection. My little brother always has a knot in his shoelaces. Knot or not? My little brother always has a knot in his shoelaces. Do you know all of your multiplication tables? No or no? Do you know all of your multiplication tables? Dear Grandpa, thank you for the birthday present. Which dear? Dear Grandpa, thank you for the birthday present. The sum of 4 plus 4 equals 8. Which sum? The sum of 4 plus 4 equals 8. Sam found the treasure map in a hole in an old rotten tree. Which hole? Sam found the treasure map in a hole in an old rotten tree. Did you buy enough thread for the project? Which one? Did you buy enough thread for the project? Well, how did you do? Homophones can be quite tricky. Anyway, I'm planning to make more videos like this. If you have any trouble with homophones, or if you want me to cover another English subject, tell me in the comments. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.